Hey everyone, do you want to make your channel look standard and professional, just like mine one? Then this video is for you. So just keep watching until the end of the video and we'll see how to make it look professional and standard. So just go in the search box and write your channel name. And my channel name is Education 287. So I'll just open it. So once you come to the channel, here you can see the channel banner, profile picture, description with social media links. And on the down, you can see the channel trailer, popular videos, which videos are my popular, for example, more views. So these are on the front so that the audience can see it. And for you pages, another YouTube channel that is linked here with the shorts video and post with the videos and playlist as well. And you can put in the same order that I have done. So for that, click on customize channel or go to the YouTube studio from here. Then go to the customization. Here you can upload a banner image and upload a profile picture as well that you created. Then down, you can put a description that your channel is about so that the audience can know what the channel is referring to. And here, the main section, you can put a social media links. For example, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok links so that the people can follow you in other channel too. And on the down, you can put a video watermark on the corner or wherever you want to put it. And go to the home tab, make sure it's on, and you can put the section that you like here. But now I have put this section where I have a channel trailer, featured video, popular videos, same like one that is set up here. So you can put in the same order like I have done here. So you can put this on the top or bottom, whatever you want to do, and click on publish to save the changes. So this is how you can customize your channel and make it look professional and standard. I hope you like my content and have learned something from this video. So if you like the content, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel for more educational tips like this. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.